Have you ever wondered why sneezes are so powerful? When you sneeze, your body expels air at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. But here's a fun twist. A sneeze can send out around 40,000 droplets into the air. These tiny droplets can travel several feet away and carry various germs or allergens with them. Interestingly, we often say "bless you" after someone sneezes due to an old belief that it expelled evil spirits or caused the heart to momentarily stop. So next time you let one rip, remember, you're not just clearing your nose, you're also launching an airborne surprise.